Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my self-care sick routine that always makes me feel better. For the past few days, your girl's been feeling under the weather and it shows. As you can tell, my hair is a hot mess, so I like to target that first. I'm just letting some water hit it because my hair has been super dry and it's been the last thing I was worrying about. Next, I'm going to apply my Dr. Wellness Vitamin C Peel-Off Mask just to add some light back to my face. I know whenever I'm sick, my face tends to look dull and tired, so this mask really helps to detoxify, exfoliate dull, overstressed skin, and I also love the glow that it gives me. Following up with Aussie Miracle Moist, I like to use this conditioner as a co-wash. Being that my hair isn't dirty, this helps to remove any tangles and put moisture back into my hair that I may have lost. Now on to body care. I'm starting off with the wash just for aches and pains. I've been really tense and achy, so this is clutch. It does have a heightened scent due to the menthol, but it really helps to open your nasal passages due to any congestion and helps loosen your muscles. It can also be used as a bath oil or body wash. So now I'm going in with a scrub. This is a new scrub for me by the brand Ethos Himalayan Salt, and I am in love with this brand, okay? It literally glided on my skin like a conditioner. Some scrubs can be really harsh on the skin, but this kind of had like a conditioning, smooth, silky feeling to it, but yet it still exfoliated my skin. And Himalayan salt is really beneficial to help retain moisture in your skin, and the ingredients is like a spa-like soak. The minerals in the salt can help maintain the skin's natural barrier, which can support hydration and keep out irritants. Next, I'll be following up with Dr. Teal's Glow and Radiance Vitamin C Citrus Body Wash, and this stuff is so bomb. As you can see, a little goes a long way. It has the perfect amount of citrus. It's so refreshing and clean, and my skin felt so moisturized. I just love how much lather I got, and the more I washed, the more energized I felt. The smell is just so pretty, almost kind of like a sweet lemon candy. Not only does it smell good, but it works well and it's inexpensive. So now that my body is nice and clean, now it's time to focus on my downstairs area. I love to use this Dr. Bronner's unscented Castile soap. It's really light, it's gentle, but yet leaves me nice and squeaky clean. So once I showered, I wanted to follow up with a bath because I know baths always make me feel good whenever I'm sick. So I purchased this cold and allergy bubble bath, and let me just tell you, this stuff is heaven in a bottle. It contains lemons, peppermints, menthol, vitamin E, and aloe. And it just really helped to open up my nasal passages. It just made me feel so relaxed and calm. In just those few minutes, my body felt brand new. It allowed me to meditate, relax, and just enjoy me. So now on to skincare. I'm going to follow up with my vanilla and cocoa butter deodorant. Next, I'll be applying Dr. Teal's body lotion, elderberry and vitamin D with added essential oils, cocoa and shea butter. This stuff is so bomb. It's actually new. It's an antioxidant formula. If you guys don't know much about elderberry helps to decrease pain and inflammation. It helps to reduce symptoms of upper respiratory infections, and it's most powerful for preventing colds and influenza, and its antiviral properties. Following up with Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil lavender scent. It smells so good. It has jojoba oil, sweet almond, and aloe vera. It's really hydrating and nourishing to the skin. If you guys know me, you know that I love lavender. So I wanted something that was going to really calm me and relax me after washing. And as you can see, I was really taking my time massaging myself. I wanted to make sure I was getting it all into my skin, y'all. Something to make me feel really good. And I just love how shiny and silky my skin felt afterwards. I literally felt 10 times better than I did before I actually went to take a shower. Now I'm just going to apply some vapor rub onto my chest just to really help me to breathe better. I wasn't really coughing a lot. It's really good for a cough suppressant, but I was feeling a lot of discomfort in my chest. So I knew that this would do the trick, and I just wanted to really moisturize and really massage that right into the area. Now I'm just going to throw on some in-house clothes. Y'all know when you're sick, you don't even care how you look, but I did want to just put on something loose and comfortable. Following up with a sweatshirt because your girl's trying to sweat this out, okay? I didn't really like these socks. I had to change in plans. I had to switch them up to my fuzzy cozy ones. That's more like it. And now I'm just gonna take off the vitamin C peel mask. I really like this stuff. I think I like it just because of the peeling effect. No, but seriously, I love the way my face feels afterwards. It really helps to remove blackheads. It leaves my skin soft, and it also just brings me back to life. Alright guys, so I just threw my hair up in a bun, but please know the edges will always be out to play, sick or not. It's priority, so I just, slayed the edges just for a little bit, just to make myself feel better, even though I don't look how I feel. And now I'm going to apply some Blistex. This is self-explanatory. Cold months, you guys know the lips get real cracked and chapped. Now I'm just going to light another candle. This coconut honey is so bomb because I'm about to unwind, drink my tea, and take my elderberry gummies. But before I do that, I'm going to use my VICKS vaporizer, which really helps to put good vapors into the air as I'm laying in my bed. And that's exactly what your girl about to do, because I'm feeling really tired after all of this, and I'm feeling really relaxed. So now what I'm gonna do is try to find something on TV, because sick days, what does that call for? Movie time. So let's see what I can find on Netflix, drink my tea, and just relax some. But the key to feeling better and getting better is to rest, and your girl is about to do just that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you during your sick day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.